ICO token, Ironfish.
Let's start with this.
Ironfish is a decentralized, proof-of-work POW-based, censorship-resistant, and publicly accessible blockchain project. It is designed to support strong privacy guarantees on every transaction, with seed round $5.3 million and series around $27 million. Ironfish is a layer 1 chain based on proof of work. Every single Ironfish transaction is encrypted, hiding sensitive user information on who the sender, recipient, or the amount of transaction was with an accompanying zero-knowledge proof ZKP. Every Ironfish wallet has a private key, public key, and a viewing key. The creator of the wallet has the ability to share out this view key and reveal their transactional history. Their mission is for Ironfish to be the privacy layer for all crypto, letting assets from other chains be transferred over to Ironfish to gain the benefit of privacy. The Ironfish community spans countries, languages, and backgrounds, including miners, engineers, and privacy advocates. The Ironfish incentivized testnet ran December 2021, February 2023 in 3 phases. During phase 2, they surpassed 39 meters fully shielded transactions, making Ironfish one of the largest processor of CKPS. Token info, ticker, ION, type, utility token, funds allocation in percent. Ironfish Foundation 18, testnet airdrop 2. 25, future airdrops 2. 25, series proceed 5.1, series seed 9. 9, series A 14. 5, advisors 06, 1437. 4, If Labs 5, future endowment 5. Details, token supply, 42 million ION, raised $32,900,000. Legal, registration year, 2019. Ironfish roadmap, launched April 6, 2021. Ironfish testnet phase 0, Ironfish testnet phase 1, etc.